Hello guys, good morning to YouTube. And today I would like to show you guys one of the very amazing customized GPT products, which is called Designer GPT. It helps you to create and host. Yes, it's hosting your beautiful website as well. So this GPT is actually done by Pedro Shirano. You can actually get the link in the below description, or you can get the link below the comment sections of the Twitter post. Okay. So as you can see, once you're done, oh, sorry for forgotten to mention that these products, right, is actually only available for ChatGPT Plus, which means that you need to subscribe one if you don't have. Okay, so as you can see, I already provide him a prompt. I want him to create a property website for me, and these are the requirements of the website, which include all the navigation bar, CTA, footer, testimonials, all right. So as you can see, he understand my request and he created a link for me. So when I click in the link, and this is my end result. So I think overall the result, there are still have a little bit improvement, but I think it's already above my expectation. So as you can see that these are the titles, the heroes, okay, and all the property listings I have mentioned in my requirements, the testimonials, and also the CTA, okay, and included the footer as well. So I think this product is actually very amazing, and especially when you don't have any design sense. Okay, so okay, try to check this out, this product, and I think that's all for the video. Bye bye.